magical person out there. This is Bleau, and today I'm going to share a story with you. So, since my new school allows me to dye my hair, I asked my mommy, please, can I dye my hair? And she was like, no. So, I thought of a way that I could have beautiful, majestic hair like a mermaid without dyeing my hair. So today I'm going to show you how to make mermaid hair without dye. Let's get started. First you'll need yarn. Like this one changes colors, like blue to pink to purple. But you could get a solid color if you want to. A comb and a brush, scissors, and you'll also need some rubber bands. So the first thing you do is section your hair, part your hair into little squares, and then hold them with rubber bands. Get your yarn and tie 2 strings onto each rubber band. And also, if you hear some scraping over there, my dog has a comb, so that's what that is. Hi. Okay, let's get started. Now twist your yarn together with your hair. Now if you want, you can do it with the rest of your hair, or you could just leave it in the front. And that's it. If you like having majestical, magical mermaid hair, then don't forget to subscribe and like and check out all the other cool Glitter Girls videos. Shine on! Bye!